Good evening sa lahat. So, mayroon lang tayong info. Ito ay dapat malaman ng lahat. Ito ay breaking news. So, ayon sa ating nasagap na balita, impormasyon ay dapat malaman ng buong sambayan ng Pilipino. Hindi lamang buong sambayan ng Pilipino. Ito ay gusto ko malaman ng buong daigdig, buong mundo. Ito ay plano ng China, Russia at Iran at North Korea. So, dapat nyo nating malaman ito, dapat natin i-share ang video na ito. Ito ay nasa inyo yan kung maniwala kayo o hindi. Basta ako ay nagsasabi lamang ng totoo sa inyong lahat, mga kababayan. So, nakatanggap tayo ng information regarding sa nag-phone call si Vladimir Putin at saka si Xi Jinping. Ang sabi ni Putin, busy ngayon ang Amerika sa Iran. So, plano ni Putin, salakayin niya na ang NATO, ang allies ng Amerika. Habang busy ang Amerika sa pakipaglaban sa Iran. At sabi ni Xi Jinping, ito ng time na pag-atake sa Taiwan. So, sabay daw sila mag-atake. Si Xi Jinping ay atake sa Taiwan para sakupin ang Taiwan. Ang Ukraine naman, sabi ni Xi Jinping, ni Vladimir Putin, ay aatake sila sa kanluran. Gamitin daw lahat ng armas, mga pangdigma ng Russia. Habang busy daw ang Amerika sa pakipagdigma sa Iran. So, sabi ni Trump, kung halimbawa mamatay siya, gawin nyo na ang dapat nyong gawin. Laglagan daw ng bomba ang Iran nang hindi pa nila naranasan sa buong mundo. Hindi pa nila naranasan sa buong buhay nila. So, alam na natin kung anong ibig sabihin ni Trump. Ito ay nuclear or atomic bomb ang ilalaglag sa Iran. So, mauwi ito sa nuclear bomb. So, ganon din dito sa Indo-Pacific. Dapat alert po tayo lahat. So, ito na ang time. Ang plan nila talaga is dapat 2027 pa, pero hindi na nila paabutin. Ito ay mangyayari 2026 starting. So, habang busy daw ang Amerika, titingnan daw ni Putin kung kaya ba ng puwersa ng Amerika ang tatlong digmaan na mangyayari sa buong daigdig. So, alert Philippines, Japan, Taiwan, South Korea. At delikado ito kasi andyan din ang North Korea. So, aabutin ang gira hanggang Guam, Australia, dito sa Asia, Singapore, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia. So, ganun din kung mag-start man ang digmaan na ito sa Taiwan at saka China ay nandyan din ang India. So kahit nandyan ang India, nandyan din ang Pakistan, magkadikit. So Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Brunei. So ano pang bansa dyan? Asia, Indo-Pacific Alert. This is a serious. I got the information sa plan ng China, Russia at saka North Korea. Ay gusto nilang sabay sila maglusob para ang pwersa ng Amerika ay hindi mabuo sa isang lugar lang. So alert din ang buong NATO. Europe, alert din, alert. Buong Middle East, alert din. So mga kababayan sa OFW, sa Taiwan, kahit saan man panig ng buong mundo. So ito ay delikado na mangyayari. Sabi ko sa inyo, 2025 mag-start ang gira. So nag-start man ang gira 2022 sa Russia at saka Ukraine. So 2026, nag-start ang matinding labanan ng Iran at saka Amerika at saka Israel. So ganun din dito, ngayon na naman, panibagong airstrike na naman ng Amerika. If ever na may mangyari kay President Trump, they order to bomb Iran. Isang laglag lang ng bomba. So, magmahal na naman ang gasolina. So, hindi natin masukat kung hanggang saan, hanggang kailan ang digmaan na matatapos. Kapag ito ay sumiklab, Asia, Middle East, at saka Europe. So, serious threat ito. So, kahit nandito kami sa New Zealand, ay maglahat yan, magsanib-sanib yan. British allies, America allies. Laban sa tatlong malaking grupo o pang-apat ang North Korea. So kaya nag-testing na ang ibig sabihin niya ng pag-testing ng China ng bomba na 9,000 kilometers. Ito ay may dalang 100 warheads na missiles nila, yung itong torpedo nila, yung sa submarine. So, iyan na ang simbolo. Malapit na ang digmaan na mangyayari. So, kawawa. Mga kabayan ko, habang busy tayo sa ating, lalo pa ngayon nangyayaring mga baha. Hindi lang baha, lindol, World War III, or waving. Matagal ko na itong sinabi. 2025, nakita ko na ito sa aking panaginip. Magsimula ang gera sa China. Magsalakay sa Taiwan. Nandun ako mismo. So tumakbo lang ako, tumalon ako sa bangin para makaiwas lang sa mga nagliliparan, mga missiles. So Japan, alert. Ma'am Japanese, alert. Taiwan, alert. Philippines, alert. Alert tayo sa buong Asia. At alert din sa buong Middle East, mga OFW. Maraming Pilipino na hindi na makauwi. Matrap sa gira, no fly zone. So Arab nation versus Iran. Kapwa sa kapwa Muslim ay maglalaban-laban. Sabi ko sa inyo, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Puro digmaan na lahat yan. So, marami tayong pagandaan. Gira, volcanic eruption, lindol, bagyo, baha, sunog, tsunami. So, kapag gagawin niya ng China sa Taiwan, ay ang kalikasan naman ang gaganti. Baka ito ng pagkaroon ng very, very, very strong earthquake na mangyari sa China. So, kung mangyari man ito sa ating bansang Pilipinas, yan ang pagdating ng 3 hari sa lupa. Bababa sila sasama sa mga sundalo. Ituturo ang mga aeroplano, mga tangke de guerra, mga missiles, lalaglag yan lahat. Pagbalik ng mga espiritual, mga Espiritu Santo. Muling pagbalik ng mga anting-anting. So, habang nagsalita ako, parang nanginginig ang aking mga katawan. Ito ay seryoso. Maniwala man tayo sa hindi, itong gira na ito ay malala. So, sana lahat ng aking mga kababayan ay ito ay delikado mangyari. So, hindi ko alam kung paano ang gagawin. So, hopefully, sana makauwi ako sa Pilipinas. So, share natin itong video. I-upload ko ito sa aking mga Facebook sa Nelior Iopre RPO, Roland Gargantiel Iopre, sa aking TikTok, at saka sa aking YouTube channel. So, I will speak now for English. Breaking news, alert. The rest of Asia, Middle East, Europe, Western. So, I got the information that Xi Jinping and Putin, Vladimir Putin, they make a call. They told each other to plan to attack Europe, Ukraine, and the whole of the NATO allies. And Vladimir Putin, they told to Xi Jinping to attack Taiwan. While the American RBC fighting in Iran, in Middle East. So, everybody involved this war. Taiwan alert, Philippines alert, Japan alert, South Korea alert. Because South Korea is divided into a North Korea, Australia, Canada, British ally. British allies. Baka while me, I'm here in New Zealand, I don't know if this war are coming here in New Zealand. So, my wish, I want to go in Philippines. I want to go vacation, or I don't know. Hopefully, God gives me a blessing to win a lotto this coming Wednesday. I need to go back on my country. So, I have something to do. to help the Philippines if the war Indo-Pacific are waving. That's the plan of Vladimir Putin. The attack to NATO allies, Ukraine, and the rest of Europe. And they told to Xi Jinping to attack Taiwan. This coming 2026, I don't know what month, what day, what time, what hour, what they plan. This coming 2026 starting until 2027. So alert entire world. This is a World War III coming. Asia, Middle East, Europe. So this is a big problem all around the world. Many people they don't believe, they don't know what will happen. This is a big war coming. Indo-Pacific, Asia. Everybody involved. Singapore, Malaysia, Thailand, India, Pakistan, the rest of allies of China, Iran, North Korea, and Russia, Union Soviet. They will make it together. So the rest of allies of America, British allies, NATO allies, and India alert, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, and the rest of Malaysia, Indonesia, Brunei, Vietnam, Australia. Australia is a British allies, New Zealand, African is allies or they want to help to America and Israel. Middle East alert also, entire Arab nation. So if ever Trump, they told, if ever they will happen to him, if he died, somebody's plan to assassinate Trump, that the Iran told, death to Trump, kill to Trump, and also Israel, Netanyahu, death to Netanyahu. So Arab nation will be involved together into the war. Either you don't like it or not, but you will be involved also, because Iran, they want to attack all Arab nation. So I make a message for all OFW prepared in Middle East. So this is the big war will be happen. So Trump, they told to their soldier or American soldier, if ever they will happen to die, you give the big bomb in Iran. Never experience or never encounter. So this is a serious threat of American President Trump, if ever they happen to him that assassinate or they killed for this plan of enemy, they told to their American soldier, bomb immediately to Iran. So, you know what happenings before in Japan, they dropped the atomic bomb in the city. So this is what will happen to the Iran country. So Iran never surrendered. They want to fight American until the last breath. So that is why American President Trump, they don't operate it. So everybody involved, World War III, Asia, Middle East, Europe, including Union Soviet or Russia and Ukraine. So this war will be going to nuclear war. This is a big threat for everybody around the world. Not only to prepare the earthquake, flooding, wildfire in Czech Republic. They have a building in the Czech Republic are dropped because of the fire. So this is a danger years. This is a tears. So the famine, if the war are coming, the famine is all around the world. So everybody will be panicking to buy the food, their needs, food. If somebody they have a baby, small baby, so a lot of market, mall will be shortage of food, especially the other country, they only waiting for the supply or export food. Like here in New Zealand, a lot of meat. So very, very, very dangerous. It's very worse for everybody. I'm serious. So please like and share my video so that everybody they know it. I'm not making this video to make afraid a lot of people all around the world. I don't want all the people to be panicked, but prepared. Everybody prepared. So that's a plan of Vladimir Putin. That's a plan of Xi Jinping. While the American soldiers, American troops are busy fighting war in Middle East. So alert also American land, American country, alert for what happening all around the world. Guam, Spain, Saipan. I can tell you a lot of country, but I can't. I don't know. But prepared all around the world. Especially Philippines is very near to China, North Korea. So A lot of people will die if the nation by nation fighting, race by race fighting. So, alert. Hopefully, share and like my video so that everybody can see, everybody they know it, everybody they can prepare what they're going to do if ever that war will start this coming 2026. So July, I received the information and I seen and I feel it what will be happen this coming year. So we don't know what the date, what the time, what the plan, what the month. So it's very risk for everybody. It's very worse. So thank you. Have a nice day. God bless you all. Repent in God and believe in God. Even I make a video or make a story, but my feel, my heart, I'm hurt, but I don't want to, I don't want to cry. Because my sympathy for everybody, especially my own race in Philippines. My family is there, my loved ones, my kids is there. So everybody, not only on my family, not only on my loved ones, not only in my relatives, but entire Filipino OFW, overseas Filipino workers, prepared. So I'm serious, I'm not joking. That is why I make this video so that a lot of people, they want to know it, to prepare. Everybody prepared. Not only the calamities, the tragedy. This is in Tagalog, nagbabalang bagsik ng panahon. Gera, war, peste, like insect, sunog, fire, earthquake, lindol, tsunami, or landslide, flooding, everything. Typhoon, cyclone, hurricane, World War III, all around the world. All around the world. I'm serious. I'm telling you this because I don't know. I want all the people to prepare. I want all the people to know what the plan of China, Russia, North Korea, and Iran. Now, while I'm missing the American fighting in Middle East. So they want to plan because the force of American forces, they divided into it Asia, Europe, and Middle East. So thank you. Have a nice day. Good night. God bless sa inyo lahat. Sa mga kababayan ko, please like and share. I-share niyo yung video. Totoo ito ang plano ng mga China, Iran, North Korea, and Russia. everybody involved all around the world of this World War III welcoming, waving. Bye-bye. Good night.